Hi there, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. This is another Facebook question. Somebody has asked, is there a way of hiding web pages? I don't want to delete them, I just want to disable them. I know I can remove all links to them and activate no index, no follow, but is there a way just to disable them? There isn't currently a way to disable pages. When you go into My Content web page builder, you will see the options just within the actions. There are things that you can do that you did mention, and that would be to go to page options and add a no follow, apply a no index and no follow to prevent the search engines from picking them up. The other thing that you suggested that you could also do, you could go to the menu manager, and then what you could do is you could go to your main menu, and then you can customize it if it's not already been customized, and then you can hide items here as well. You can also add no follow here as well, just by checking the tick boxes. And then by doing that, the links will just disappear from the main menu themselves. But currently, they're the only two options just sort of in the box. I did recommend as well, what you could do is go to My Content Web Page Builder. You could go to, let's say, the About page. And then what you could do is just click on the source button and you could copy all that code and then just go to your widget manager and then create a widget. And then you could essentially just drop that in there and say, well, this is my about page. And then that would enable you then to delete the page in My Content Web Page Builder. And that might also be a good solution for you. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.